Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement heater control valve. This heater control valve works on a wide range of BMW X5 and X6 trucks from 2007 to 2019, including the X5 3.5, X5 4.8i, and X6M. For a full list of trucks this works on, look below or contact us. What the heater control valve does is it controls the flow of coolant in and out of the heater core, which is used to heat your SUV. If you are not getting any heat or the temperature you select is not accurate, you may have an issue with your existing heater control valve. Also, the original valve has been known to break, especially in the outlet locations, causing coolant leaks, which can obviously damage more important vital areas of your BMW. While this heater control valve is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct installation part, thanks to, of course, the OEM design with the mounting locations and the OEM electrical connector. However, this unit does have a redesigned housing for increased reliability and made with stainless steel to resist corrosion. Installation of a heater control valve can be something you do yourself, but make sure your vehicle is cool to the touch, and once completed, make sure that your coolant system is full to the applicable level and it is purged, burped, or bled properly to make sure there are no air bubbles in your cooling system. If you have any questions about this heater control valve, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.